I get up, time is barely on our side.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Maybe like all the live.
I watched the sky come down, it was a perfect day. We walked until our limbs were fall off. With diamonds in our hands, we fell into outer space. Then Jesus somehow got in the way. Fuck them all, they want me like a light bulb, burn out with the sun, swept under the rug again. Am I insane? I think this is my moment. Yeah, nothing's standing here in my way. Yeah, nothing's standing here in my way. And in the perfect sound, I watch the silence break. We laughed until our heads would fall off, but they still can't understand why we feel this way. Yeah, they're still telling me I'm manic, I know. Fuck them all, they want me like a light bulb, burn out with the sun, swept under the rug again. Am I insane? I think this is my moment. Yeah, nothing's standing here in my way. Yeah, nothing's standing here in my way. Fuck them all, they want me like a light bulb, burn out with the sun, swept under the rug again. I understand now that this is my moment. Yeah, nothing's standing here in my way. Fuck them all, they want me like a light bulb, burn out with the sun, swept under the rug again. I understand now that this is my moment. Yeah, nothing's standing here in my way. Yeah, nothing's standing here in my way. Yeah, nothing's standing here in my way.
This is supposed to be a penguin nesting area, and there's a egg. We don't know if it's a penguin or if someone just lost their lunch.
You're gonna say it's
We're going on a penguin hunt anyway. We're at, where is it called again? Caroline Bay.
Caroline's Bay. We're gonna find a
It's a
penguin.
free cam. We just pull up in the car park. It's a bit dodgy. But we're here now. We got our odd company drinks. Yippee.
They're not bad.
You're gonna go alright, eh?
Well, they don't have anything in there like white
There's no
claws
like
or...
seltzers or anything.
No. Oh, there's heaps of like vodka marinated stuff, but nothing. Surely that's the only penguin bit, right?
Is that where the penguins are supposed to be? No, we're too early in the season because it did say October. There's another egg over there. Looks like it. Is it an egg?
Totally. Let's walk down the path.
Day 49 in the ghost house. Still no penguin butts. Oh shit. We are next to a port though, with all that stuff.
Yeah, they.
Well,
That's pretty cool. You saw some eggs.
not super flash, but it's free. And there's bins and a dump point and a trash toilet. And apparently up there penguins, which we're going to go try and look at later. Yep.
is there?
Sail and anchor wanker. I don't think that's a question, is it?
Okay, well, stop.
Yeah, bro, go. Come on.
That would be a cool little bar pub to go to.
Bye, Timaru. It was cool seeing little pengies at Caroline Bay.
Yeah. Pizza was good up there too.
Oh, yeah.
The Zest.
If you're staying in Timaru, that Zest, it's like an old church, it's been converted. Right there. Their pizzas were really good. Their blue cheese pizza actually had actual blue cheese on it, not just like a dodgy blue cheese sauce from the supermarket.
Caramelized onion and blue cheese.
Yeah,
it wasn't a pizza though, it was like the pita bread.
Flatbread, sorry.
And their pesto flatbread.
Yeah. Then we cancer free at the car park there at the port at Carolina Bay, which was surprisingly quiet and pretty
Oh, that's that place.
yeah, pretty good.
Welcome to 7 Deaths.
Oh, hell.
Yeah.
Hell, Timaru. Welcome to the 7 deadly sins.
7 Deadly Sins, yeah, their pizza too.
Oh, what? Oh, awesome. And then there's Burger Fuel over there. Anyway, this was only a 10-minute walk from there. And yeah, it's a good spot. Timaru's like pretty cool. It's not like a super busy town, is it? It's pretty like small, really.
We just went for breakfast at Replenish, which was nice, very organic.
Yeah, it was all free range, bloody whatever. Pretty good. Bacon was nice and crispy. It's all you want. And yeah, this is the second last night of us being here, the last night of us in the van coming up. So we're going to head to Christchurch, have a squiz around there, see what the go is. And yeah, bloody see you in the next video shot, I guess. Spitheads, what up?
Like every light.
And we're going to walk Roy's Peak home and do hey. I'm dying. My calf muscles. Yeah. We've only walked that far. Woo! Wow, worth the huffing and puffing.
There's a bug on me.
Wow. First time I've seen ski boats or fishing boats in the water.
Yeah, look how long that jetty is.
Wow.
And then that's out to the ocean.
Now, first peak wasn't good enough, so we're going on another one. My calves. My calves.
The summit, baby.
Pretty flowers, eh?
Yeah, they smell amazing. Oh my god, look at the thorns on them though.
Yeah, right. Suck you in and then jab you.
Why is everything in New Zealand thorny? Have you noticed that?
Yeah, I know even these plants walking through there, thorny.
They all want to hurt you.
Now, the other peak, we were over there, now we're here.
Yeah, and it's better.
Yeah, a bit higher.
But you can see 360 now. You can see the snowy mountains over
Don't know
there.
how I was going to sharpen the camera, but all the snow-capped mountains are over there.
You should be lucky.
Over there.
I'm not asking you to go up the track further. Just a
Oh
little
wait, there's
bit
another summit.
So nice.
What an awesome spot though.
So lush. It's like you're an island.
It does have like a European feel to it.
Birds down at the marina.
Yeah, wow.
Looks like there's a bit of town on either side.
Yeah, that'll be Littleton over there.
I wonder what that one is.
And then is that Akaroa down here or is it on the other side?
I think I can remember.
It's over there somewhere. Yeah, so Akaroa's well away from here. It's like over the other side of those mountains, over there. Doop, geography good.
It's kind of like from the ocean, like a little inlet comes in.
There's like a hawk eagle thing soaring over there. Look.
Oh yeah, be careful with your drone.
Yeah, because the cookies at home always do it like sparrows farts.
Yeah. Yeah, you wouldn't mind it being satisfied if it was like this. Just like little birds singing and stuff.
That's pretty close. Daffodils. Oh, there's daffodils.
Used to be.
What's it like? It's meant to be. Probably should have read the sign back there. Man, anything like this back home would be like a bushfire lookout.
Yeah.
It smells a bit like piss in here, not gonna lie.
Not gonna lie.
Yeah, it smells like piss in here.
People probably come up and just make stuff in. Put the camera in my shot.
What? No way. Sign of the Bellbird and Kennedy's Bush and ZA. Rest houses. Rest houses.
Oh. They have them everywhere. I like
Yeah.
cages, that's what it smells like.
Yeah, all the natives here smell beautiful.
It's kind of changed the colour now.
It's a bit fresh. Looks like an embryo. Graceful. Like a swan. Careless mistake, eh? We have 45 one way.
Yeah, we're not going now.
I'll do 30 minutes
20 minutes.
each way. That's heaps,
Oh,
doesn't it?
okay, okay.
Alright, it's like going through people's homes or something.
I reckon tomorrow morning we get up, run down to Brighton Beach and jump in and be like, woo,
Yeah, you can do that.
last day.
Before we come back and tidy up the van.
Yeah.
Sick beach shack. Right there. Probably surf, yeah. Watch the surf.
Yeah, imagine this being like, oh yeah, come to my house. It's like, my house? Surely it's not someone's house.
Yeah, maybe.
This is so cool.
Yeah.
Go back to the beach.
It does look like a house.
I've been missing the beach.
Yeah.
I'm at 5 a day. It's not bad.
Daily limit 5, fuck, it's 2 at home. Wow.
That's more information on that. Reddit.
k's that was. Because we started off on the other side of that headland there.
I don't get how it's a loop.
Yeah, you must be able to walk up and back over maybe.
So
I don't
it's
know.
like an hour and a half each way or something, isn't it?
Yeah, bugger that. What was this?
Well,
This is about 40 minutes.
20 times 3 now, 60. Yeah, I thought it was about 40.
So pretty. That is cool. Tap on that window, someone's probably taking a shit. How cool. Imagine having a mid-beach shack like that. We do every weekend, surfing and sinking beers.